Want to control your trade prices on Interactive Brokers? Here's how to place a limit order on the TWS platform. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today I'll show you step-by-step how to set up a limit order on Interactive Brokers Trader Workstation so you can buy or sell stocks at your preferred price. Step 1. Log into the Trader Workstation TWS desktop platform. Step 2. Search for the stock or asset you want to trade using the search bar. Step 3. Click Buy or Sell to open the order entry window. Step 4. Select Limit as the order type from the drop-down menu. Step 5. Enter your desired limit price, the maximum price to buy or minimum price to sell. Step 6. Enter the quantity of shares or contracts you want to trade. Step 7. Review the order details carefully. Step 8. Click Submit to place the limit order. The order will only execute if the market price meets your limit price. Step 9. Monitor your order status in the Orders tab. Quick tip: use limit orders to avoid paying more than you want or selling for less than your target price. Found this helpful? Like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more trading tutorials. Drop your questions below. Thanks for watching.